haggard look. We just went to the swimming pool this morning and I feel so, you know, sunog. Charot. Anyway, I'm with the kids. Baby girl and baby boy is here. We're going to the new house because tomorrow we are gonna be moving the stuff already. So I have to go there and clean, deep clean, sanitize because it's still dusty and all. But yeah, I brought all the stuff that we need and we're going. I'm trying to contact the cleaning company but they're not responding, so I have no choice. I have to do it myself and I have to meet the owner because he's gonna activate the electricity and the water. So we pass by here at McDonald's to get some snacks because we haven't had any lunch yet. So yeah, and it's gloomy. OMG. I hope it's not gonna rain. But it's okay if it's gonna rain. I'm kind of exhausted from swimming. That's why I have a slight headache. But I took medicine already. Okay, our order is here. So, getting ready. And we're gonna do camping there in the house while I'm cleaning. Eat first, then clean. Look at the sandstorm. OMG. I hope it's not gonna rain because I opened our window at home kasi mga nilalabhan ko gusto kong matuyo. So look at that. This is our neighbor. We're going to the house right now and the sandstorm is crazy real. Hindi lang halata sa camera pero it's real in here. Kasi kapitbahay mo ba naman ng ano this year? I just met the owner and he left. He just came and turned on the aircon and the water. So what I'm doing is we are here, me and baby girl, and baby boy is outside getting the mop and everything. So I'm just gonna clean it here first and we're gonna eat here. So walis mode and then mop then. I did initial cleaning already and naglatag din ako para makakain na kami before I start again. Look, haggard na ako. Dito pa lang yung ginagawa ko. Ulan bibis. Look at that. It's not obvious here. But ayan.
Mama,
So,
how are
nakikita
we
nyo.
supposed to go home
Huh?
if it's raining?
Later, babe, when it stops. See, the cloud is getting clearer now on the other side. So it will pass, okay? Kain. Naubusan namin yung burger. Ngayon ko lang naisipan mag-vlog. Chika-chika mode kami ni Bebe.
I didn't finish it.
Oh yeah, you still have. I'm slightly done with this one. This room is for hubby Boo for all his diving stuff, printing stuff. Okay. Ang itim ko talaga. So I'm done here. Like slight mopping na muna. The grout. What do you call this one? Grout? The grout are color yellow. I don't know if it can be removed. But one day in the future, if I have time, I'm gonna like kukuskusin ko siya ng bongga. So ayun, I'm done here. This will be hubby Boo's mess room. Ayan. Medyo bago-bago pa naman yung ibang ano. Yung sa paint lang talaga hindi ako satisfied. Look, tignan niyo. Ayan oh. Like, parang nagpipintura kasi ako. So I know na first coat lang to. Parang wala siyang second coat and wala siyang seal. Ay nako, ako na lang siguro magpipintura dito. I will ask hubby Boo's permission first. Pero tingnan niyo naman oh. Parang first coat lang. Dito tayo. Ayan. Makikita mo pa rin yung wood. Anyway, wala tayong irereklamo kasi okay na tayo. Solve. Ayan. Push. Linis mode. On. Ano naman yan? Uy. Lagyan ko na lang ng design. I-DIY na lang natin yung ibang parts. Lagyan natin ng mga sticker, doodles para masaya. Charot. Meron kaming kalaban dito. Now, baby girl is, gagging. Gumagano siya. What did you eat, be? Adut-dut. Huwag mong ispit dyan. No, that's not nice. Come drink water. Pakita ko sa inyo yung kalaban namin. Kasi naman, tumatakbo ito. Nakanganga. Stop running with your mouth open, okay? Stop eating dut-dut. Dut-dut na tuloy yung tawag mo sa ano. Hindi ko alam yun kasi may tray kami. Ouch. It went to my eyes. May tray kami na malaki.
I don't like your eyes when it's like down to down.
Down to down? Kasi naman napuwing ako, babe. Okay, wait. We're gonna find one. They are everywhere, but... Ouch. See? Stop spitting here. It's slippery, my love. My goodness sake. Nag-ano ko siya. Asan yung nakita ko kanina na ball of it? Ball of dud-dud. Ayun. Alam niyo yung punong yun, nagpo-produce siya ng ganito. I don't know if you can see that. Sa bukid, hinihipan namin to. Like that. Ngayon, dito sa house, sobrang dami. And baby girl is running around, tapos may mga lumilipad-lipad. And napupunta sa mouth niya. So parang, magaganon siya, kawawa naman. So yeah. Walis-walis muna ako, mamaya na ako mag-mop. Tinatanggal ko lang muna yung mga chunks of dirt. Tapos pag nag-mop, wawalisin ko ulit after. Yan, the kids said, tapos na silang tumulong sa akin, kaya nakahiga sila dyan. Push nyo yan, baby. Nakikita ba tayo sa labas? Kaya, ay, may pasalamin tayo dito. O, diba? Bongga. Okay, baby, since you asked for it, let's do an empty house tour because tomorrow or the next day, if the boxes will arrive, it's gonna be totally messy. So, I'm gonna show you. Let's go out first. Okay, so this is the yard. It rained, that's why it's wet. But yeah, you can see the kids there because there's no blinds yet. And yeah, this is how it looks like. It's just very small from the outside. There is a way going there, but there's a plant blocking, so you cannot really see. But I'm gonna show you from the other side. So let's go inside. Okay, just excuse the cleaning stuff. As you can see, it's see-through at night, so it's really creepy. But I don't know. We'll see what we can do with that. First room is this one. It's going to be Hubby Boo's mess. No, just the barbecue stuff, diving stuff, and all that. And this will be a guest room. The kids are camping here. Excuse the stuff in there. Hi! And then here we have this two sink. And this is going to be the washing machine area. So, yep, just very simple. And in this way, there's a door right here. So first is the kitchen. Right. Okay, the kitchen looks like that. It's smaller compared to our kitchen right now, but I don't mind. The fridge will be here, the oven will be here. There's already a built-in stove, so that's nice. And there's a lot of cabinets. So, yep. Next is here. This is the lounging area, like, you know, dining and living room at the same time. So, yep. And this is going to be the master's, I guess. So there's this room, and there's a cabinet in there, and there's a toilet. Wait, no, I opened the wrong one. Wait, there. Okay, next one is in this left side, there's a door going out. Let's go and check. There's no light in here, I guess, but let's go and check. So it's kind of creepy though. So there's the plant that I'm telling you, but we need to put a light here. But yeah, there's this shade that they put, and yeah, it's really nice to hang out here as well. Okay, when we go in, there's two rooms here, 1 and 2. I don't know yet which will be the kids' room, and there's a toilet in the middle. So this is how it looks like. It's the size is not that bad. I think this is bigger, or this one. I don't know if they are the same. Yeah, I think it's the same. But this one, the tiles is just plain. So yeah, that's it. And the lounging area has this kind of, you know, middle roof. Babies, we're done here. We're ready to go home. I don't know, you can see that. Oh, they look so tired. Oh, baby girl doesn't want to go home. I told her next time, you know, we're gonna be sleeping here already. Thanks for watching.